Why is it not doing what I want? Specify start point. Hi, how are you? Good. A enter. There we go. That's what I did wrong. Go away, people. Sorry. Polyline, if I click a starting point, an end point, and then if I enter, if you look down here, you will see a command. I can do an arc, close, half width, length, undo, width. So I'm going to enter in an A for arc, and I can click a point, click another point, click another point, click another point. And this is what's called a polyline. It's multiple lines, and I can use it to create spirals and other things like that. So that is your basic polyline. So to erase something or to create an erasing window, I click right of the object, I pull down to the left, I click again, and then I can hit delete. Then my screen is clear and I've gotten rid of the object. For a circle, I click on the screen and I will enter D for diameter, pull out, and then I can say I want this to be 1 foot, enter. Why is this not working? No, it's working, okay. So there's a 1 foot circle now. For a rectangle, I can click on the screen, pull out, and in this one, I would enter D for dimensions, and I would enter 5 feet, 2 feet, and a 5 foot by 2 foot. Here, here's my problem. That's what my problem is. Okay. Okay, so for my format, I'll click format, units. It's set on decimals, which is part of the problem I'm having. I need it to be architectural. Angle can be decimal degrees. Precision, 1/16, that's fine. Click OK, and now when I enter in my units, it will read correctly. Okay, so